Hey you, with the big nose. Don't give me that face. Don't give me that face. But I wanted to tell you that everything in here is alive, and we can all see you poop.
Hi.
Hi. How's it going, man?
Hello.
Hola, amigo. How you doing, young sir?
Hey, dude.
¿Cómo está,
How's it
amigo?
going?
Konnichiwa.
Hello. Even I'm alive too, man. And I'm the goddamn sticky toilet.
I'm just shitting, man.
So I really hope you think about leaving real soon. 'Cause ain't nobody wanna live in your stink. Hey!
What are you doing?
What the hell? Oh man, please don't do what I think you're gonna do. Don't put it in my mouth. Jeffrey, look, the horror.
If he don't come near us, he ain't our problem, Charles. Wait.
Fuck you, you asshole!
Fuck you.
Hey man, what's up? Hey, what are you doing? No!